They have such really glowing and dewy skin, and if you're curious like me on how they get to achieve that really glowy and dewy skin, I rounded it up for you so that you won't have to look for it anymore. Hey lovelies, Teen here! Welcome back to another video, and for today's video, you might have seen in the title already, but today I will be filming a video wherein I looked for skincare products that BTS usually uses, so Bangtan, and I rounded it up for you so that you won't have to look for it anymore. I am an ARMY myself. I really love their songs and how great of a performer they are. Some of them also produces, writes, composes songs, so I think they're really great at their craft and what they do. Whenever BTS performs on stage, even off cam when they have videos, I always see how fine they have such really glowing and dewy skin. And one thing about ARMYs though, most of the skincare products I discovered that they're using, I found through ARMYs as well. And I think it's really great how usually in clips like Bangtan Bombs or Bon Voyage, you give a 3-second clip, or no matter how short it is, how you'll only see a portion of the product, they really get to find what BTS is using, and I think it's really so great of them. And I think you guys are working hard. So thank you, because this video will not have been possible without them. And so usually whenever we spot makeup or skincare items that you see in Bangtan Bomb, V-Lives, or Bon Voyage, when you go on Twitter, you'll get to see ARMYs already discovering the products. Some of the stuff are from Bangtan Bombs, featuring them getting their makeup done by their makeup artist, and the products are laid out on the table. I will be showing you the skincare products they use in order, so from cleanser to moisturizer. First off, for cleanser is this Bioderma micellar water. So this one is great for sensitive skin. I personally use this as well. This one, it's fragrance free, hypoallergenic, and from what I know, it's also alcohol free, so it's really safe for all skin types, especially for those with sensitive skin. This was spotted in a clip with jhope, Hobie's makeup artist, having this on the table, and there's also been media reports. This has also been reportedly used by Jimin. So there's also been a photo found by an ARMY on Bon Voyage. I think there was a clip of Jungkook taking Taehyung's V's photo, and this was spotted in one of the rooms. It's one of the top sellers in Olive Young for years already. So I'm getting this cotton pad. I'm using a reusable cotton round, and I'll use that all over my face to cleanse. So this is also great if you're doing your makeup and you want to correct like an eyeliner. So it's really gentle on the face. Because some cleansers are also too stripping on the skin for sensitive skin types, so micellar water is a great option. And much more this one, because the formulation is really suited for sensitive skin. And then, for the next step is this sheet mask from Mediheal. It's the DNA Aqua Ring system. So this is the Defense Natural Aqua Ring system. And if you guys recall, there's been this V-Live with jhope and suga using sheet mask, and they also showed their favorite sheet mask from Mediheal, and this is one of suga's. This is what he showed, and this is also really hydrating and good for dry skin. So I'll be putting this sheet mask on. With sheet mask, it also helps that you put it in the fridge or place it in your aircon before using it, because it adds in that cooling effect. So I'll be using this sheet mask, and some other favorites they mentioned is the tea tree sheet mask and the classic aqua ring, the hydrating one. So this also another hydrating sheet mask, and it also has this like milky consistency. Now I'm just putting my sheet mask on and making sure it fits well on my face. There on the nose, and then on my jawline. I'll be letting that stay on my face for around 10 to 15 minutes. And I think another tip when using sheet mask is you could use a roller like this or a gua sha, whatever you have, to make it penetrate in your skin better. I just keep on rolling. Get it, let it roll. Now after listening to Idol, The Truth Untold in Spring Day. So 10 minutes have passed and I'm removing the sheet mask now. In terms of sheet mask, Mediheal is also one of the brands I really like using. So first, tap that. And for the next step, so after doing the sheet mask, other products they use is a moisturizer. So for moisturizer, all of them have endorsed the Sika line from VT, but it has been reported that this is one of their top picks, and this is also one that is reportedly used by Jimin. So there are also other moisturizers here. So another moisturizer they reportedly they use is the Physiogel Daily Moisture Therapy Cream, and this has been reported to be used by Taehyung, V, and Namjoon or RM. And I also have that, but I got the Calming Relief Air variant because I have skin eczema, so this is more suited for my skin condition. But if you want the product that they use, it's the blue one, the Daily Moisture Therapy Lotion. So I'll probably use this on my face and probably VT on my neck. And then another product that they also use is the Aveeno lotion. So the one that they are seen using is the lavender one, but since my skin is also sensitive, I have to use the fragrance free. So I'll also be using this. But if you want the exact product that they use, it's the lavender variant. It's the purple one. And V mentioned that he also uses it because it has this fragrance, so it also serves as like a mild cologne for him. So since we have 3 moisturizers in hand, I'll probably use the Physiogel one on my face. In applying moisturizers, I try to lather it on my skin and try to apply it with the dotted technique and then blend it. Since this is also really great for sensitive skin, so I think RM mentioned that he has a dry skin type. I think, and also has a skin condition, so they also use products that are great for sensitive skin types, so it's also great for even those with drier sensitive skin types. And I'll probably use the VT Sika cream for my neck. So this cream is a gel type, and it's suitable for all skin types, but most preferably for those with oily or combination skin types, cause the consistency of this one absorbs better with those skin types. And for the Vino, I'll probably use it on my hands. So this could be also used in the face or your body, and I think it's a great product for moisturizing my hands now. And now for the next product, this is a tinted lip balm. It's a tone up CC tinted lip balm from Roto. So it's a Japanese brand, and it's in the shade Pure Red. So this product has been spotted numerous times when it was used on Jimin, V, and also even Jean. So it's one of the products their makeup artists always uses on their skincare / makeup. So if you want the secret, it has this very sheer tint that makes it really subtle and look very natural. So some other products that are not really skincare, more of makeup, but you might be interested to know, because this has also been used by their makeup artists numerous times on them, is this eyeliner. So it's the smooth liquid eyeliner from Kiss Me Heroin Make, and it's waterproof, and it's one of the makeup they use whenever they perform on stage. And this Dress and Living Clear perfume from W Dress Room. So this is in the April cotton variant, the number 97 one. So this was actually spotted as this was gifted by Taehyung to Jungkook in their exchange gift, and I think Jungkook also placed this on the package he sent to ARMYs. So the smell of this one is somewhere in between Fresh Laundry and Baby Cologne. So you could use this on fabric like curtains or your pillow cover, and you could also use this as a cologne for daily use. So essentially, the skincare they use is pretty simple and straightforward. And they also mentioned on numerous occasions that, of course, they also go to their derma to get their facial done. But if you want to know how they get to maintain their glowing skin, this is one of the products they use, especially the sheet mask whenever they go on tour. This is one of the most convenient products they use to maintain their glowing skin. And you could see how even after doing just essentially cleansing sheet mask and moisturizer, my skin looks really glowy already. So I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe down below, and click the bell notification beside it so that you won't miss out on more videos in the future. And if you guys have suggestions on what I should do next, content you would want to see me do next, just leave a comment down below. And I hope to see you guys on my next vlog. And always remember to choose love and kindness. Bye!